In today's video, let me show you how to watch live cricket on Jio Hotstar. If you are a cricket fan and have an account of Jio Hotstar, let me show you the exact section where you'll be able to view the live cricket that is currently going on. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into the video. Let's head over to the Jio Hotstar application. Once you're inside of the platform, if a popular match is going on, you'll be able to view it inside of the home page. As soon as you open up the app, if you swipe left and right, you'll be able to see the matches that are going on live. In order to watch them, you can just tap on the watch live button and the live will start off. This way you can just open up your app whenever you like and then hit watch live. Now let's say if you don't see any match in the home page that you're trying to watch, you can just head over to the sports section right here, and inside that make sure you choose cricket. This way you'd be able to view all of the upcoming cricket matches as well as those ones which are currently live. So that's all there is to watch live cricket on Jio Hotstar. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.